So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the best stock to buy at the current market situation. So previously also in the last week, we have discussed one such stock which has given some very good movement. The stock name was UPL, and we know roughly 8% return was generated by the stock in just a span of 1 week. So today we'll be discussing another such stock, especially for short-term trading. So first we'll see what is the stock name, and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out the best possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. And if you're enjoying the videos, so do like it. So let's go to the stock name. Okay, so the stock that you're going to discuss today is going to be Sanofi. So it is a little bit common stock only, especially in the pharma sector industry. So this particular stock currently it is trading somewhere around 7,348. So before we get into the technical part, so let us try to understand the day-to-day wise deliveries. So and why we need to buy this particular stock. Okay, so first and foremost thing, why we need to buy this particular stock. So we know that the stock is going to declare an interim dividend followed by a special dividend. So combined, it is giving 490 rupees per share, which is not a joke. So if you try to calculate the dividend yield that the company is giving, it is roughly around 6.8%. So you know how much important dividend yield becomes. 6.8 is not at all a less dividend yield. So whenever any stock is giving more than 5%, we know the stock gives some very good movement. So the stock also recently, after giving a little bit of upside movement, again it has given a very good correction. So now it is at a very good zone of buying. So if you have some good quantity and if you want to have a safe investment at the current situation, so irrespective of market movement, so this particular stock may give you that return. So even if it doesn't give any upside move, you know that you can take the dividend benefit of 6.8% directly into your bank account. So what else do you need? So if you try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries, so those also are significantly increasing on a regular basis. So an average of 70 to 75% deliveries are maintained in this particular stock, which signifies that investors are taking the opportunity at every level to buy this particular stock, right? So we're not worried about the market basically, because dividend stocks, whenever the X date or record date is there, so before that we know a little bit of good rally would be observed. So for Sanofi, the X date is somewhere around April 14th. So next month itself that event is going to happen. So before that, the stock should at least give some very good upside move. So if not, you know that you can take that 6.8% dividend directly into your account. So this is the primary reason why I'm telling it is best at the current situation. So now let us go to the technical charts and we'll try to observe all the possible levels. Okay, so if you try to observe the daily chart of Sanofi, so you can see currently it is trading somewhere around 7,348 rupees level, and recently after approaching the trend line of 7,700 plus, the stock has showed a little bit of a retracement. But nevertheless, still the stock is looking very bullish at the current levels as well. So you can expect the stock may even go to 7,800 or 7,900 before it declares that dividend or even above. So you need to play a little bit of good amount in this particular stock. So small investments doesn't make sense in it. So if you want to park your big amount and you're confused for short term, then this is the best idea you can search for. All right, so levels wise these are very much clear. So if it breaks that 7,700 in the upside direction, so 8,000 plus also can be seen. So little bit of quick movement may happen at any point of time. So stay attentive. If you are getting at any levels at 7,200 or 7,300, it is going to be a best buy. And if you're already having it, you can average it out. So these are the possible zones. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.